Hi, I'm Cheryl Duffy, the founder of the Divorce Centre and the author of the bestseller, The Divorce Tango. Now, today I'm going to give you a snippet out of Chapter 8, Rebuilding Self-Confidence and Self-Worth. Let's face it, particularly people who have been left, your self-worth can really take a hit. So you can have felt that you weren't good enough, you feel rejected, abandoned, and you really wonder if you'll ever be happy again and find love again. So the key is to rebuild your self-worth in looking at who you are. Who are you as your best self? And looking at what you bring to the table. So that could be at work, that could be in family relationships, that can be in romantic relationships. So it's about rebuilding your self-confidence, because you're going to need that to be able to get through these challenges. So you may have had a hit to your self-worth, but be assured that you were good enough in your marriage. It's just a case of now is the time that the person who is leaving has made the decision that they need change in their life because they're unhappy. You're not responsible for other people's happiness. They are. So that goes for yourself as well. So if you aren't happy, only you can change your life and create a happy life. So it's important to be able to visualize what you want your life to look like, be positive in life so that you are grateful for what you have, but you're also seeing the possibilities and the opportunities that are going to create a happy life, and take action. So making sure that you are the one that's going out there and creating that best life that you've ever had. I know at first it's going to be difficult because you're grieving. So allow yourself to grieve, give yourself some time, but don't stay there, because you can plummet into despair and sit there for years, months and years. Mine was years. So it's a case of making sure that you are rebuilding yourself and know that it's no point being with somebody who doesn't want to be with you. So you can pine after your ex, thinking you wanted to turn the clock back, you want to have your old life back. But to be honest, why would you want to be with someone that doesn't want to be with you? You deserve better. So it's important to be able to be your best self, so then you'll be able to meet somebody who actually sees your value. So if you would like to buy my book, The Divorce Tango, you could go to my website, thedivorcecentre.com.au, buy it from Amazon or from your bookstore, Dimmicks. So I will talk to you again in Chapter 9. Thank you.